27th of September, 1821. Mexican War of Independence. On 27th of September, 1821, Mexican War of Independence ended as Agustín de Iturbide occupied the Mexican city with the help of Mexican Revolutionary Forces. Agustín de Iturbide went on to become the first emperor of Mexico.
27th of September, 1852. First steam locomotive to carry passengers. On 27th of September, 1852, George Stephenson's locomotion number 1 carried passengers on a public rail line from the Stockton to Darlington Railway. In England, it was the first steam locomotive to carry passengers.
27th of September, 1937. Santa Claus Training School. On 27th of September, 1937, near Rochester in Albion, New York, a school was established by Howard for training Santa Claus. It was first of its kind, as one can get a Bachelor of Santa Claus degree from this school.
27th of September, 1962. Deleterious impacts of pesticide. On 27th of September, 1962, marine biologist and writer Rachel Carson published Silent Spring, which detailed the deleterious impacts of pesticide used in the US on the environment.
On 27th of September, 1972, American actress Gwyneth Paltrow was born in Los Angeles, California. She acted in movies Shakespeare in Love, A Perfect Murder, Great Expectations, Shallow Hal, Proof and Running with Scissors, and more.